Ibis style hotel in Luxembourg. Let's show you around this room. Quick talk. So, this is the entrance, obviously, and so the first thing is really, as you enter, is that there is the toilet here. Literally, I didn't even really know that that toilet was there. So, but the toilet is literally here. Wow, look at that. So the toilet is here. So they kind of like are using the space, well, good use of space, shall I say. It's really very, very small. And yeah, so but it doesn't really matter how small it is. What matters is that you got these, the toilet seats, closet. Is it closet? WC? Yeah. And then you got the bathroom. Wow. The bathroom as well. I mean, you can literally see me in the mirror. And then they have the washing hand towels right there, and yeah, so washing basin. So they literally, you know, instead of like usually you have a big hotel, they will have like a bathroom completely separate. So look at that. So they just have, you know, the bathroom. It's just really very, very small. I mean, you can say really be able to have your shower in there. So, and yeah, so the usual thing that you have in the bathroom. Look at that. So with the mirror, and then it's just really transparent. And then they have this demarcation right here. So whereby, you know, I guess if somebody is having shower, because if that is transparent like that, if you are not, I don't know, if you're just friends or something, want to keep whatever privacy, and you have to pull this curtain, and then somebody having shower there, and the other people will stay here, right? So and now we have the yeah, so there you go, that's me in the mirror. So and then we got the TV. We haven't turned the TV on here. I don't know what's in there, boys. So what do you think about the bed then? What do you think about the bed? Ade, you're going to be sleeping on there. Do you want to go up? Let's see how you get up. Yeah. Okay. So you can fit in there. So what have they got? Get up actually. I want to see what do they have on there.
They have.
That-
I think there's a charger.
Oh, okay. Place to charge. Oh, okay. To charge the phone, right? Okay. Do you want to get the camera and just move it close, just to see that?
Yeah. So there's a charger here.
Okay. Yeah. Get it back to me, please.
Okay.
So yeah, so a place to charge, and I don't know what that one is. I think it's to control the heating maybe. And okay, I think this might be light, is it? Oh, yeah, you go, light. Yeah, light is okay. You can control the lighting from there. So, but the bed, of course, double bed that is, and I'll talk about the TV. And yeah, so there's a chair here, and a chair and table, and so literally there's no one special wardrobe somewhere. So it's just all, yeah. So look at that, and then you got the tiles there. Yeah. So and then the window. Oh, okay. The window is there. I wonder if you're able to open the window. I'm not sure how this window works. How does it work? Oh, okay. Yeah. So you're trying to, yeah, we have to maybe tomorrow when, yeah. Okay, so you can see outside. Right, okay. So this is offices. You see people in the office. Down there are people in the offices there. Yeah. So, but let's close it back. Yeah. So, and then you got this, I think these are places where you can hang your coat and things like that. And then that's the bin. Yes, and then another mirror, of course, right here. So here you go. That's it, really. The room tour of this room. I mean, it looked really, really different. Boys, this room, this hotel room, look different from all the one we've experienced. Yeah, it does look. Do you want to try this TV with the remote control and let's see what's in there? Let's turn it on. Let's see, is it the one that we have to try and be figuring it out, or is it? Well, yeah. So here is the stairs to be able to get on there. Even me, I can go up there actually, but I don't want to fall. Oh God. Right, so there you go. The bed is there on the bunk bed. Yeah, the bunk bed on Ibis Hotel. Well, interesting.